my Diamond Art Peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are returning, as always, thank you for your continuing support. Love you guys. This is going to be a quick unboxing. I just want to say, first of all, I hope that everybody's having a wonderful Sunday. Today is July the 23rd. And it is 4:57 here in Oklahoma. It is warm. We had, I think yesterday, the day before yesterday was like in the 80s, middle 80s, but today and for the rest of the week it's going to be in the 90s. So, which I am happy with. I hate cold weather so bad. As you see, I've got my air on, but I've got my Hello Kitty sweatshirt on because I'm freezing in my house. But the minute that I change the temperatures, then it'll be so warm I'll be miserable. So I can take off my sweatshirt if I get too warm. But first, before I start on my unboxing, I do want to make an announcement. I am going to be hosting a paint along in November, starting November 1st, and it's going to be Hello Kitty. So I brought out my Hello Kitty mermaid that I've had for, gosh, probably 5 or 6 years, and it was a gift, so I cannot even remember who gave it to me. I have so many of these. It's amazing, but I love Hello Kitty, so I always am very thankful when someone gives me anything. So the event is going to be called Hello Kitty Paint Along, and it can be any type of cat. It can be an animated cat, it can be real, but that's all. Size doesn't matter. It's just another way of getting to meet other people in the diamond painting community. And also, Richard from Real Men's Craft 2 is going to help me do a live. So that hopefully, the first week of November, we'll be able to do a live. And if you would like to be on that live, if you would reach out to leave a comment in the or leave your name in the comment, and I will get that to Richard, or go to his channel, Real Men Craft 2, and also you can email him at Rkevinwilson. I always mess this up. Rkevinwilson at Gmail. But go to his channel in case I get this wrong. I will try to remember to put his email in the description today. That is why I'm on the struggle bus, because of this. I think I always go over in my mind, okay, so I need to do this, 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 and this, and I forget something every time. So anyway, so I'm letting you guys know way ahead of time so that you can get your canvases. Like I said, it doesn't matter what size they are. It doesn't matter if it could be a sticker, whatever you want to do. But I am doing Hello Kitty, and here's the canvas that I am going to do. I remember to grab that. I will try to remember to show my canvas every time. I don't know if I will, but at least I'll try. I got this canvas from a friend for my birthday this year, so I remember that. But isn't she cute? So if you are wanting to join an event of the 1,000 events that are out there for November 1, Hello Kitty Paint Along. So hope that you guys will want to participate. And that's all I have to say. All right, so I am going to open my box. I already cut it open, so we'll have to struggle with that. So Diamond Painting with Cajun, Debbie, does mugs and several other things that she makes. And so I ordered, not mugs, but canisters. Oh my God. Not canisters. Oh my God. Drinking glasses. I will just show you. Again, this is the reason why I struggle. All right. So I ordered 3 from her. 1 for myself and 2 are Christmas gifts. Oh, so, all right. Your item has been made by me. It may have small imperfections. I don't believe that. Okay. So she put some little extra stuff in here. Oh, cute. I think this is wax. I can't get it open, so I'm not gonna struggle. Oh, look at this. Oh, she sent me. It's a butterfly keychain. How cute. Oh, Debbie, thank you. And we were laughing because she said, I'm so sick of getting macaroons in her kits. So she sent me a macaroon. This is actually only the 3rd one. I think I have I know I have a lime green one and an orange one. So now I have a pink one. That's so cute. All right. And some stickers. It says, do it for yourself. And this is Walker's Salt and Vinegar Potato Chips. Never heard of that company. And it's, oh, she sent me some wax. I am trying, you guys. I am not doing well with it. I have watched so many videos, but I'm still not getting it. But I am going to keep trying. I am going to keep trying. This is strawberry French toast. Let me get it out. Okay. And it's shaped like a little bear. That's so cute. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it smells good. I love it. I'm gonna keep trying. My problem is that I feel like I'm changing every few minutes. So I know it's just me. Oh, candy. This is absolutely my favorite. This Laffy Taffy, this is banana, and then a cherry Jolly Rancher, and then some Smarties. Oh wait, no, there's... Blueberry Raspberry Tootsie. Oh, cool. Thank you, Debbie. That's so sweet. So sweet, so sweet. And then here are the straws. I'm going to try to open this one more time. Ah! Okay. So I can put trash in this, or I can put wax in the round wax, or whatever. Great. I'm not even going to try it. Okay. And has a little sticker that says, thank you for supporting my small business. Oh, wow. What did you guys do this weekend? Last night, my oldest granddaughter, she's 8. She's with a dance, I guess a dance troupe or whatever, and they performed at the, we have a semi baseball team, And you guys, I am not a sports person. I was so bored. But I went to support her. So in between watching her, I mean, that was the only reason that I went, because I would never go to a baseball game. But, oh wow, these are glass. Look how thick those are. Wonderful. Oh, I have to be very careful. I see me dropping those. Okay. Let me see if I can get these out. Tumblers. That's what these are. Tumblers. Lord. One day I will be together. Okay, and then she has hand wash only. They're not dishwasher safe. Do not soak, not microwave safe, or avoid extreme heat. Always handled with care. And then it says, thank you for supporting my small business. Okay. All right. So we will just open the first one. Oh, how cute. This one is going to be for my daughter because she likes Winnie the Pooh. And look at that. Oh my God. And Tigger. Oh, that is so cool. And then the top, you just slide your, and she put in 2 different types of straws. So you just slide that right down in there. This is so cute. Oh, and this is glass. Oh my God, Debbie, I have seen these on her Facebook page. And if you guys have not checked out Debbie's YouTube channel, which is Diamond Painting with Cajun. Also, her Facebook page is Diamond Painting with Cajun. And then I think she just started a TikTok page, which is also Diamond Painting with Cajun. Please check her out. I love her. She is like the sweetest person. Oh my God, look. And Piglet, oh my gosh. Beautiful. All right, so let me carefully put these back because these are Christmas gifts. Christmas gifts. All right, so that is the first one. All right. Let me see if I can get into this without struggling too much. Okay, now this is for my daughter-in-law. She is a teacher. And so I got this one for her. Oh, how cute. It says, teachers plant seeds that grow forever. Let me turn on my light, I think. It may help a little bit. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. And the top pops right off. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, Debbie, I am so pleased with everything. And she also, I mean, she does all different types of crafts as well. I think she does pins, and she was doing cover minders, all of that. Oh, Oh, you know what? While I'm thinking about it, hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm gonna put these in there so they don't, so in case I forget to tell them not to put it in the dishwasher. And then here is the last one. This should be mine. Yes, it is. Because she did a little something extra for me. Oh my God. Look at that. Hello, kitty. And then she blinged mine out with pink. Oh my God. It is so beautiful. I don't know about this glass. I feel like this is a disaster with me. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Look at that shine. Oh, Debbie, you outdid yourself. Oh, it's beautiful. So I don't have to put that one back because that belongs to me. All right. Well, that's it, you guys. That is my little unboxing, just a quick little unboxing. So remember about November 1st, start going through your stash and looking for your cat canvases and join us for our Hello Kitty paint along. That's it. I don't have anything else. So I hope you have the wonderful rest of your day. If you like this video, if you'll hit that like button on the way out, I would appreciate it. If you would like to become a part of this crazy struggle bus family, if you'll hit that subscription button and also hit the bell to be notified each and every time I put out a new video, I would appreciate that. Remember to be kind to one another, keep cool, and keep diamond painting, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Thanks, Debbie. Don't forget to check out Diamond Painting with Cajun. Bye.